In this video, we are going to see how we can upload the GIF image or GIF image to Discord. It's pretty quick and simple, so let's jump right in. Now I have this GIF image right here downloaded in my desktop. You can find many amazing images like this in the Google search. You just write here GIF image, switch to images, and you should be able to see a lot of them. So you can use any one of them. Now open up the Discord application, and from here, once we are in any specific channel, you click on this plus icon down here in the messages and then click upload a file. And from here you can locate the GIF images. In my case, it's in the downloads. Here it is. You choose that and you can open this up, and you will see the preview of this as well in the spoiler attachment, and you can modify the attachment, delete the attachment, anything you want. So if you want to modify the file name, let's say happy colors, I want to mention it as a file name. You click on edit, happy colors by something like that, click save. And once we have done that, just hit enter and it will be added right here in the chat. But right now I'm using the bot. But if let's say we have created our own channel now, we click on upload the file and we hit enter. It will save it for you and will send it in the chat just like so. After that, the other members in the chat group might react to it, reply to it, or start a conversation. You can also add it at favorites if you want to refer it in the future chat sessions. So that's about it. That is how you can upload a GIF image to Discord. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, and I will see you in the next one.